Did you know that bears have been known to eat almost anything, including rubber boots and engine oil? That's right, these fascinating creatures are far from picky eaters. But then again, what else would you expect from some of the most versatile omnivores on the planet? Bears are found all over the world, each species adapted to thrive in its unique environment. Take the grizzly bear for example. This powerful North American native has a diet that ranges from berries and roots to fish and mammals. Their keen sense of smell and strength make them excellent hunters, but they're also quite happy to forage for plants and insects. But let's journey from the forests and mountains of North America to the icy expanses of the Arctic. Here, the mighty polar bear reigns. Adapted to a life on the ice, these bears rely heavily on seals for their diet. Their white fur provides camouflage in the snow, and their powerful limbs and large paws make them excellent swimmers in the chilly waters. And who could forget the endearing giant pandas, with their distinctive black and white fur? Unlike their bear cousins, these creatures have a diet almost entirely of bamboo. Found in the dense forests of China, they spend most of their day eating, consuming up to 28 pounds of bamboo to meet their energy needs. Bears are incredibly diverse, not just in their diets but also in their habitats. From the icy polar regions to the dense forests of Asia, and even up in the Andean mountains where the spectacle bear resides, these creatures have found a way to survive and thrive. So, whether it's a grizzly bear fishing for salmon in a North American river, a polar bear stalking seals on the Arctic ice, or a panda munching on bamboo in a Chinese forest, bears showcase an incredible variety in diet and habitat. So next time you see a bear, remember, it might just be eyeing your rubber boots or leftover engine oil. Ever wondered how bears hibernate for months without eating, drinking, urinating, or defecating? It's a question that has puzzled many of us, and today we're going to delve into the heart of this fascinating mystery. When the chill of winter starts to seep into the air, bears begin to prepare for their long slumber. They spend the warmer months feasting on anything they can get their paws on. From berries and fish to insects and small mammals, they pack on the pounds to build up their fat reserves. This excess fat not only serves as their energy source during hibernation, but also provides the necessary hydration. Once they're sufficiently stuffed, bears find or create a cozy den where they'll hunker down for the winter. This could be a cave, a hollow tree, or even a snug spot under a pile of rocks. The den provides them with the shelter they need to weather the harsh winter storms and freezing temperatures. Now, here's where it gets truly intriguing. While in hibernation, bears enter a state of reduced metabolic activity. Their heart rate slows, their body temperature drops, and they don't eat, drink, urinate, or defecate for months on end. Essentially, they are in a state of suspended animation. And yet they don't lose muscle mass or bone density, a feat that has left scientists scratching their heads. The bear's body undergoes remarkable changes during hibernation. Their bodies break down fat stores for energy, while the waste products from this process are somehow recycled back into the body, preventing the buildup of toxic byproducts. It's a perfect survival adaptation for an animal that must endure long periods of food scarcity. This incredible hibernation ability not only helps bears survive the harsh winter conditions, but also allows them to conserve energy during times when food is scarce. It's a testament to their resilience and survival instincts, proving once again that nature is full of wonders. It's truly amazing how bears can just sleep off the harsh winter. Did you know that bears and humans have a history of coexistence that spans thousands of years? A fascinating fact indeed. Our relationship with these majestic beasts is as old as time itself, threading through our shared history and shaping our mutual destinies. Bears have long held a prominent place in human folklore and mythology, their might and majesty inspiring both awe and fear. From the Native American legends, where bears are revered as spiritual beings, to the Greek myth of Callisto transformed into a bear and then into the Ursa Major constellation, bears have been symbols of power, courage, and endurance. Yet, our relationship with bears is not solely based on respect and admiration. There's a darker side too. As our civilizations expanded, we've encroached upon their habitats, reducing their space, their freedom. Today, bears across the globe face threats on multiple fronts. Habitat loss, climate change, and human conflict have all contributed to dwindling bear populations. The polar bear, for instance, is a poignant symbol of the devastating effects of climate change. As the Arctic ice melts, their hunting grounds are disappearing, threatening their very survival. The grizzly bears too are feeling the effects of habitat loss, as forests are cut down and roads slice through their once pristine wilderness. Yet all is not lost. There are many dedicated organizations and individuals who are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures, ensuring they have a future in our shared world. Conservation efforts range from protecting bear habitats and advocating for legislation to combat climate change, to educating the public about the importance of coexisting with bears. But such efforts need our support. Whether it's through donations, volunteering, or simply spreading awareness, every little bit counts. As we share this planet with these incredible beings, we have a responsibility to ensure their survival. Remember, every action we take has an impact on these magnificent creatures. Let's strive for a world where bears and humans can coexist peacefully. So, what have we learned about bears today? We've delved into the captivating world of these majestic creatures, uncovering astonishing facts that make them unique. We've discovered their diverse dietary habits, ranging from a diet rich in berries and insects to the occasional fish feast. We've also explored how bears master the art of survival, particularly through their remarkable hibernation process, which allows them to endure the harshest winter conditions. We've examined the delicate coexistence between bears and humans, a balance that can be tricky but ultimately rewarding. We've emphasized the importance of bear conservation, reminding us all that these creatures are a vital part of our ecosystem, and their survival is intertwined with ours. Bears are truly fascinating creatures, aren't they? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing animal facts.